Hello dear students and parents, welcome back to Test Europe EduNet. I am Dr. Titi Varghese, official educational consultant for Indian students to study in Lithuanian public and private universities. I would like to inform you that the application deadline to study bachelor's and master's in various public and private universities in Lithuania, European Union country for 2026 September intake is May 1st, 2026, and for some university it will be June 1, 2026. So we will have 1 year of TRP in the beginning, and then you will be able to expand it when you land in Lithuania. And we have 1 year stay back, 40 hours of part-time per week. And also if you would like to study bachelor's, you need to have minimum 63 to 65% in your 12th, and for master's 4 years degree plus 65% of grade minimum in your bachelor level. Also IELTS or a TOEFL or Duolingo is mandatory for most of the universities, and for some university we did not require it. Also you need to attend the motivation interview with the university.